External ear. During hearing, vibrations in the air called sound waves move from the outside environment into each ear, where specialized structures receive, translate, and transmit all types of sounds to the brain. Sound waves enter the ear through a channel called the external auditory canal, or ear canal. At the end of the ear canal, a thin barrier called the tympanic membrane, or eardrum, vibrates in response to incoming sound waves. The tympanic membrane, eardrum, separates the external and middle portions of the ear. It touches several tiny, sensitive bones in the middle ear called auditory ossicles. When the tympanic membrane vibrates, the ossicles amplify and transmit the vibrations to the inner ear. Auditory ossicles. Located in the middle ear, the three auditory ossicles are called the 1. Malleus, hammer-shaped and directly touches the tympanic membrane. 2. Incus, anvil-shaped incus, and located in the middle. 3. Stapes, stirrup-shaped, and touches the oval window of the inner ear. The auditory ossicles amplify all sound vibrations moving into the inner ear. In the inner ear, sound waves move into a fluid-filled, spiral bone called the cochlea. Air vibrations from the outer and middle ear become fluid ripples or waves after entering the inner ear. The cochlea sensitively detects varied sound frequencies, pitches, along its different sections. The base of the cochlea detects high-pitched sounds, while the top of the spiral detects low-pitched sounds. Hair cells, located along the lower surface of the inner cochlear spiral. The basilar membrane contains many tiny receptors called hair cells, which react to the moving cochlear fluid. When sound waves disturb the fluid, hair-like projections on top of the hair cells called stereocilia shift and tilt with the fluid, allowing ions to enter the hair cells. The influx of ions into hair cells results in the transmission of electrical impulses, nerve signals, to the vestibulocochlear nerve, or auditory nerve. The auditory nerve relays these signals to the brain. The auditory information is transmitted from the basilar membrane in the cochlea to the primary auditory cortex in the brain. The primary auditory cortex receives and interprets the electrical signals from the inner ear, perceiving sound.